Hi guys, welcome back to Crazy Ideas No One. And now, let's see what we have today. The farmer is going to the banana garden to get dry leaves and the outer bark. Can you guess what he's going to do? He divides those banana outer bars into small pieces and dry it under the sun. Perhaps he will use it as the course. After that, the farmer goes to an empty area and places 4 large limestone to form 4 pillars. Then, he ties the various sizes of bamboos by using dried banana leaves. As you can see, he creates the bamboo rectangular surface fast and professionally. On the next step, he continues to bring and place it on the previous 4 pillars. Next, he plows many other bamboos into the ground and bends them into a hemisphere. Look at it! It is tied and connected like a boat. Oh my god! Perhaps it's not a boat like we imagine. Can you guess what is he doing? And now, he takes a large coconut leaf and removes all the leaves. Just keeps them. And then, he uses them to bend it into something that looks like a snake and ties it to the bamboo block that he has already made before. From this step, can you guess what project is it? If you cannot, don't worry, let's continue watch it. See, he holds the ground, pour water to soften the soil, then add straw and use his feet to mix the soil and straw together to form mixture like cement. Next, he uses the mixture that he just created to cover the entire bamboo block. Wow, I have to say I understand what he is doing now. A giant earthen duck appeared in front of our eyes. he builds a beautiful earthen stair. And then he digs a big hole around the giant duck. It looks like a big tank. From only mud, through skillful hands of the farmer, he creates a large tank. Next, he takes an old saucepan and adds water and lime to create a natural white paint color. He also uses that lime water to sweep over the whole giant earthen and decorates the tank to make it more attractive. The duck's eyes are painted black and the nostril is painted yellow. It looks amazing. Then, the farmer pours water and adds some water hyacinth in the earthen tank. We are now seeing a pond for ducks combined with a duck house. How wonderful and amazing is it? All works are made entirely by hand with simple materials such as earth, straw, bamboo, and lime. The ducklings are released into the tank. They surely love their new home. How do you feel about this work? Let us know your opinion. Don't forget to subscribe to support and follow us on the next videos. Thank you for your watching. Goodbye!